Hi everyone, welcome to Design with Frank. I'm Chloe, the founder and the design principal here. So in today's video, we are going to head over to the outskirts of South Bend, Indiana to explore the Hygge House. The Hygge House is a Scandinavian-inspired design home with 4 bedrooms and open concept living. The entire house was built with a local builder, with every family member pitching in their skills to help the project complete. So let's head over to Indiana together.
The Hygge House sits quietly in a dense forest of hemlock and birch trees, casting dappled shadows on the ground. Located at the end of a quaint cul-de-sac in South Bend, Indiana, it stands out from the nearby craftsman-style houses with its modern simplicity. The house is an image of serene isolation and natural beauty, framing views of the woodland, blurring boundaries between the inside and outside. Even though the building facade features dark panels, the interiors exude warmth and tranquility. When the client's parents bought a piece of woodland, they invited them to be neighbors, and the couple eagerly accepted. The client wanted to build a functional and personalized home. While researching designs, they found our 3BD standard option at Design with Frank, which matched their vision. With a few simple modifications, we turned their dream house into reality. The house follows an open plan layout. The living, dining, and kitchen are one space. Yet the kitchen is tucked in, visually away from the living area. On each side of the open living zone are the parents' and kids' rooms, providing privacy to the couple. The long corridor between the bedrooms doubles as a play and run space for the kids. The living room features a big slider to a covered deck, encouraging outdoor living. The basement is a spacious area for the kids to play. Spencer and his father, being from the construction industry, had a fair amount of building knowledge. He is an excavator with over 10 years of experience. This background gave him an advantage as he could visualize the house on the site and manipulate the land accordingly. The project started with the excavation on November 21, 2022. The work on the foundation and basement continued throughout the month. The construction of the walls and floors took place in December. The framing was installed in a week during the first half of January, after which the interior walls and windows were constructed. The installation of the faucets and plumbing continued into February. In March, the siding and drywall were erected. The month of April was all about flooring and painting. May saw the completion of the furnishings and cabinets, then the lighting. During the interior installation, the family took an active role in the process, contributing to much of the interior work themselves. Kaylin's father in particular, who has extensive experience in carpentry, played a crucial role. He took charge of all the carpentry tasks, including building the stairway, laying the flooring, and completing the trimming, among other details. On June 6th, after 8 months of laborious work and commitment, Kate and Spencer's family moved into their new residence. When we asked the couple about the most exciting part of the journey, they reminisced about the invigorating and the stressful moments. One of them was seeing the plan built when the siding came up with the framing. It is the moment when you can finally see the shape of the house after months of planning and imagination. When naming our company, we drew inspiration from the story of the 3 little pigs who painstakingly built their own houses with determination and care.